Hello friends. Today, I want to share a story that will truly inspire you. It's about a man who came from a poor family and became one of the most famous and richest football players in the world. We all know Cristiano Ronaldo as a big star. He has a big house, drives fancy cars, and millions of people love him. But do you know the real story of his life? Do you know about his pain, his hard work, and how he never gave up? After hearing this story, you will see that Ronaldo is not just a football player, he is a symbol of never giving up. He is also one of the most followed people on Instagram. But his life was not always full of success. Let me tell you where everything started, his simple childhood. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro was born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, a small island in Portugal. He was the youngest child in a poor family. His father, José Dinis Aveiro, was a gardener and earned very little. His mother, Maria Dolores, worked as a cook and a cleaner to help the family. Life was very difficult. The family lived in a small house. Sometimes they didn't even have enough food. Ronaldo's mother gave her food to the children and stayed hungry. Even though life was hard, his parents tried to give their children a good life. Cristiano's father was kind but had a drinking problem. This made life harder for the family. Ronaldo loved his father, but he saw how it hurt his mother. His father died in 2005 when Ronaldo was only 20. This made him very sad, but it also made him stronger. He wanted to make his father proud. Ronaldo loved football from a very young age. He used to play without shoes on the streets. He kicked anything he could find as a ball. His friends laughed at him for being too serious, but Ronaldo didn't stop. He had one dream, to be the best football player in the world. When he was just 8 years old, he joined a local football club called Andorinha, where his dad worked part-time. People could already see he was special. He was fast, strong, and very focused. At 10 years old, he was already known as a football star in his area. He cried a lot when his team lost or when he didn't get the ball, so people called him a crybaby. This love for winning became a big part of who he is. When Ronaldo was 12, he made a big decision. He left his home and family to join the football academy of Sporting CP in Lisbon. It was very hard for him. He missed his family and cried almost every night. But he remembered his mother's words, "Cristiano, you are our hope. You must be strong." Her words gave him courage. At the academy, Ronaldo had many problems. Other kids made fun of him because of his accent and skinny body. But Ronaldo didn't stop. He kept practicing. While others were resting, he trained. Slowly, his talent became clear. Coaches noticed his amazing speed and footwork. When he was 15, he had a big health problem. Doctors found that his heart beat too fast. This could stop his football career. He had two choices. 1. Stop playing football forever. 2. Do a risky surgery. Ronaldo chose surgery. He loved football too much to stop. The surgery was dangerous, but it was successful. A few days later, he was back playing football. This showed how brave and strong he was. Even at a young age, he was ready to fight for his dream. Ronaldo's young life had many problems: poverty, sadness, losing his father, and a serious heart problem. But he kept going. He believed in himself and worked harder than anyone else. After the surgery, Ronaldo came back to football with more power. He knew this was his second chance. At 15, while other kids played games, Ronaldo trained every day. He worked even after practice, running, kicking, and improving himself. At the Sporting CP Academy, Ronaldo's talent grew. Coaches were amazed by how fast and skillful he was. But this was not only talent, it was hard work. Ronaldo always wanted to improve. If he thought his left foot was weak, he practiced it more. If his headers were not good, he stayed longer to fix them. Some laughed and said he was too serious. But Ronaldo didn't care. He was building his future. One coach said, "Cristiano trains like his life depends on it." When Ronaldo was 16, he trained with the first team of Sporting CP. That was a big achievement. Even with older and better players, Ronaldo shined. He always wanted to be the best. In 2003, when Ronaldo was 18, Sporting CP played a friendly game against Manchester United. This game changed his life. Ronaldo played so well that the Manchester United players were shocked. Their coach, Sir Alex Ferguson, said, "We must sign that boy. He's a star." Soon, Ronaldo signed with Manchester United. He was the first Portuguese player in that big club. But this was just the beginning. Moving to England was not easy. Ronaldo didn't know English, the weather was cold, and the football style was very tough. Some players said he was too flashy. But Ronaldo didn't listen. He practiced more. He stayed after training to improve his free kicks and dribbling. He watched videos of the best players and learned from them. His hard work was amazing. While other players relaxed, Ronaldo went to the gym. He ate healthy food and stayed away from junk. He once said, "Your body is like a temple. Take care of it, and it will help you." Soon, Ronaldo became one of the most important players at Manchester United. Fans loved him. In 2007, he helped the team win the Premier League. He scored many goals and gave great assists. But he still wanted more. In 2008, he had one of his best seasons. He scored 42 goals. That year, Manchester United won the Premier League and the Champions League. Ronaldo won the Ballon d'Or, the award for the world's best footballer. He was just 23. But he didn't stop working hard. Ronaldo stayed focused. He didn't party. He stayed away from bad habits. He wanted success through hard work. Ronaldo often trained alone. He was always the first to arrive and the last to leave. His teammates called him a machine. One coach said, "I've never seen anyone work as hard as Ronaldo." In 2009, Ronaldo made another big move. He joined Real Madrid for a record fee of €94 million. This showed he was now a global football star. At Real Madrid, the pressure was huge. Fans and media wanted him to score every game. Ronaldo didn't fear the pressure. He trained more, studied his opponents, and kept getting better. In his first season, he scored 33 goals. But he still wanted to do more. In his second season, he scored 40 goals in La Liga, a new record. Fans were amazed. Ronaldo could score from anywhere. He was also a strong leader. He pushed his teammates and gave them hope during hard matches. At Real Madrid, Ronaldo had a famous rivalry with Lionel Messi from Barcelona. Both were the best. People always compared them. But Ronaldo didn't let it bring him down. He said, "I don't compare myself with others. I try to be better than yesterday." This thinking made him stronger. One of his big dreams was to win the Champions League with Real Madrid. In 2014, he helped his team win it by scoring in the final against Atletico Madrid. It was Real Madrid's 10th Champions League win, called La Decima. But Ronaldo did not stop there. In the next few years, he helped Real Madrid win 3 more Champions League titles, in 2016, 2017, and 2018. He became the top goal scorer in the tournament, with more than 130 goals, a record that still stands. In the 2017 final against Juventus, Ronaldo scored 2 amazing goals. He showed again that he was the best player in the world. Because of his great performance, he won many Ballon d'Or awards. This made him a true football legend. What made Ronaldo special was not only his talent, but also his discipline. He followed a strict routine every day. He got up early, ate healthy food, and went to training. He also avoided parties and other distractions. Even with all his success, Ronaldo got a lot of criticism. Some people said he was too proud. Others said he did not pass the ball enough. But Ronaldo did not listen to these comments. He worked hard and let his success speak for itself. He once said, "Your success is the best answer to your critics." And he proved this again and again by breaking records and winning more trophies. At age 33, when many footballers slowed down, Ronaldo shocked everyone by moving to Juventus, an Italian club, in 2018. Many people did not believe in him. They said, "He's too old now. He won't play well in a new league." But Ronaldo never let doubt stop him. He came to Italy with a clear goal, to show that age does not matter. As soon as he played, Ronaldo showed the same energy and love for the game he had when he was younger. He trained harder than ever and wanted to win. Ronaldo's first match in Serie A, the Italian Football League, was watched by millions. There was a lot of pressure, but he stayed calm. In his first season, he scored 28 goals and helped Juventus win the Serie A title. One of his most famous moments came in the Champions League game against Atletico Madrid. Juventus had lost the first match 2-0. Many people thought they would lose again. But Ronaldo did not give up. In the second match, he scored 3 goals and helped Juventus win. After the game, he said, "This is why Juventus brought me here, to make the impossible possible." At age 34, Ronaldo worked harder than anyone. While other players got slower, Ronaldo got better. His discipline inspired his teammates. Young players said, "We've never seen anyone like Cristiano. He's a true example." Life in Italy was not always easy. Serie A had strong defenders, and people doubted if Ronaldo could keep scoring. But Ronaldo turned this challenge into a chance to improve. He spent hours watching videos of his opponents to find their weak points. His effort paid off when he won the Serie A MVP award in his first season. At age 35, when many players think about stopping, Ronaldo made another big record. He became the first player to score 50 goals in the Premier League, La Liga, and Serie A. In one game against Sampdoria, he jumped so high to head the ball that it looked like he was flying. Later, experts said his jump was higher than that of an NBA player. When people asked how he played so well at his age, Ronaldo said, "It's all about hard work, discipline, and wanting to be the best." Outside of football, Ronaldo was also inspiring. As a father of 5, he cared for his family with the same passion. He often showed moments from his life as a dad, teaching his kids to work hard and be kind. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic stopped football. Many players lost fitness. But Ronaldo used this time to train at home. He posted videos of his workouts and told fans to stay strong during the hard time. When football started again, Ronaldo was even better. At 36, he scored 29 goals in Serie A and became the top scorer of the season. In 2021, Ronaldo made another surprise move. He returned to Manchester United, the club where he first became famous. Fans were very happy. In his first match, he scored 2 goals. Everyone saw that he was still one of the best. His new teammates were amazed. One young player said, "Cristiano trains like he's still 20. He motivates us to work harder." Through everything, Ronaldo gave hope and inspiration to millions of fans. At 37, Ronaldo still amazed everyone. Even though he was one of the oldest players, he kept scoring goals. Fans cheered his name as he played with energy and strength. Ronaldo always said, "Talent without hard work is nothing." He believed talent is not enough. You need effort, discipline, and sacrifice to be great. Ronaldo was also a loving family man. His partner, Georgina Rodriguez, gave him peace and happiness. Georgina came from a simple background and understood Ronaldo's journey. She supported him always. Ronaldo once said, "Georgina is my rock. She takes care of our family and helps me focus on football." At home, Ronaldo was calm and loving. He played with his kids and enjoyed time with them. He taught his oldest son, Cristiano Jr., to work hard. "I tell him, success doesn't come easy. You have to earn it," Ronaldo said. He trained with his son and reminded him, being a good person is more important than anything. Ronaldo's quotes inspired many people. Your limits are only in your mind. He believed we can all achieve more if we stop doubting ourselves. Don't listen to critics. Listen to your heart. Ronaldo had many critics but stayed true to himself. Hard work, sacrifice, and love for what you do, this is the secret to success. He believed that failure was just a step to success. He also said, "I've missed penalties, lost games, and made mistakes. But these things made me work harder." Even with all his success, Ronaldo had hard times. In 2022, he and Georgina lost one of their baby twins. It was very painful. Ronaldo said, "It was the hardest time of my life. But I had to be strong for my family." Soon after, he returned to football and played for his son's memory. His strength in tough times touched many hearts. Ronaldo also gave a lot to others. He donated millions to hospitals, schools, and disaster relief. "I have been lucky in life," he said. "So I must help others." He also gave time to young athletes. When visiting schools or academies, he told kids, "Believe in yourself. Work hard and never give up. If I can do it, so can you." Ronaldo often said, "I don't play football just to be remembered. I want to inspire people, to show that anything is possible if you work hard." As he neared 40, Ronaldo began planning life after football. He invested in hotels and gyms so that his name would live on even after retirement. Cristiano Ronaldo's journey, from a poor boy in Madeira to one of the greatest footballers ever, is not just a sports story. It's a story of hard work, discipline, and never giving up. Let's end with this thought. Most people in the world, 96%, do not follow their dreams. They spend life working for the 4%, the people who follow their passion and take action. Cristiano Ronaldo was not part of the 96%. He was in the 4%. He had nothing but a dream and made it real with hard work and strong belief. His life gives us many lessons. Excuses will not bring success. No matter how hard life is, you must keep moving. Ronaldo didn't let his poor background, his father's problems, or his health issues stop him. Passion and effort are powerful. Talent can only take you so far. Ronaldo trained hard every day. He knew greatness comes from effort. Stay humble but keep growing. Even after becoming rich and famous, Ronaldo kept trying to improve. He never settled. Your pain can be your strength. Ronaldo faced many tough times, but they made him stronger. Every failure helped him grow. So, ask yourself, do you want to be in the 96% who give up, or the 4% who follow their dreams? Always remember, only you can change your life. The real question is, are you ready to work for it?